welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the third and final coin in the Captain James Cook series. Now this is the coin itself, the third one, which comes in the Royal Mint handbag. And just to show you quickly, we've actually got the first one and also the second one as well. Because once I've finished having a look at this one, I'm going to put the map together and see how it all looks. But for now, what I'm going to do is my usual thing where I open mine up, so that if you bought this and want to see how it's all presented, well, that's what I'm here for. And there it is, with the handbag taken away, so that you can see it a lot more clearly, front and back. And I'm going to do my usual thing now where I just scan along and show you all of the information so that you can have a read of it at your own pace. But of course, if I am moving too quickly, feel free to pause it. And at the very top, we've got a little part, or the final part of the map, which is pretty cool. And then all we've got then is we're back round to the front and also the back, which you've already seen. So now let's check out the coin specs, and then we can actually have a look at the coin itself. Of course, the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel, the outer alloy nickel brass, the weight 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. And the quality is brilliant uncirculated, obverse designer Jody Clark and reverse designer Gary Breeze. And then just a bit of information there about this being the third and final coin in the series. Of course, this coin is to celebrate Captain James Cook, a determined man from a humble background. Captain James Cook expanded scientific and cultural understanding of the world through his pioneering voyages more than 250 years ago. Now we get onto the coin itself, starting with the obverse design. Of course, that is Jody Clark's fifth portrait of the Queen, and nothing out of the ordinary there with regards to a standard £2 coin. And there we have the reverse of the coin, so absolutely amazing. What a great series of coins, and the two that came before it were equally as awesome. I think you'll all agree that this is just beautiful. Amazing designs. So let's now check out how all of this looks together once we put the packets and the map in place. There it is. That is the map all put together from the 3 different packets, and it's quite difficult to get everything in shot at once, but what I'll do is I'll scan the rest of it in a second so that you can actually have a look at how it's all presented. But this is the map itself, and just look at the size of that. It's so cool. So all of the information has now come together and displayed in such a beautiful way. So let's have a look at the bottom part of this, and then let's see if I can actually get some shots together to show it all off as one. There we have it, the bottom half of the presentation. So what can I say? 3 coins over 3 years, and the presentation comes together so beautifully, it was well worth the wait. And plus, the 3 coins themselves are stunning. If anybody was lucky enough to actually get the error packaging, where the third coin was actually housed in this corner so that the whole thing wouldn't come together, then you're very lucky. I didn't, because I ordered mine quite late in the day, so they'd already noticed the mistake and started sending out the newer ones, or at least putting them together to be sent out. But some people were quite lucky enough to get the error packet version. I know that a few of my friends have, so well done them. I want to know in the comment section, did any of you manage to get that? And there we have it. I've managed to get all of it in shot. I mean, it's not all very clear, but you have seen both halves individually, so that's really cool. And like I said, I hope they do something like this again in future, because it's just such a great idea. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of these coins, and have you been collecting them yourselves? Also, did you just go for the brilliant uncirculated so that you could present them like this, or did maybe some of you go for the silver proof versions? Like I said, leave it in the comments section below, because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.